What's up, guys? It's B-Boy MC, and this is my new car. See you in the video. Yeah, I guess we're good. And now, what's up, guys? This is my car. My front view, yeah, top view, and the back view is really cool too. So, as you can see, here is the side view, and as you can see, the doors can open, butterfly doors, and see, look inside. Isn't it cool? It's like a real car. Anyway, so this is my new car, and so yeah, this is my new car, as you heard. So let me show you. Of course, it has lights that can go, backlights. Yeah, that's my new RC car. I got it from Burlington. This is the remote, and yeah. So I just wanted to show you it. And by the way, happy Easter! Yeah, it's Easter today, and I'm just in my backyard right now, so hello. This is my cousin Troyan. Hello. So say hello to the viewers.
Hello.
Anyway.
Subscribe. You better like and subscribe. That's the thing.
Yep. You heard him. So, I'm going to be working on some more videos, of course. And what the heck are they doing? The heck?
I think they're trying to fight.
Well, skip it to the point. So, I'm going to do some new editing, as I said. Well, I'm going to show you my basket in my next video because this is going to be cool. Okay? So this is B-Boy MC, over and out. Peace out, my homie.